Hi, my name is Ryan with the Jim Click Automotive team. We're here to talk about the accessories we installed in this 2021 Platinum F350 Super Duty. I'm 6'9" and this thing makes me look small. On this truck, we installed a 3.5-inch ReadyLIFT lift kit. It lifts the front end of the truck 3.5 inches and the rear an inch. We were able to fit a 37-inch Hankook AT tire, as well as this 20-inch fueled Triton wheel. Something else we did with this truck is we had our friends over at Clear Choice Designs here in town do what we call a strategic chrome delete, meaning we added some gloss black accents to this while keeping some of the silver accents to accompany the wheel and the platinum package of this F350. The fun thing about this build is that although the customer bought it from here at Jim Click Ford, he didn't do the accessories until after he purchased the truck. If you're driving around in a vehicle that you would like to accessorize, come see us here at Jim Click Customs.